Wondering what's the real difference between GitHub Copilot and Copilot Chat and how they can boost your coding? You are in the right place. Today, I'll show you how Copilot suggests code as you type and how Copilot Chat goes further, letting you to ask questions, generate tests and refactor and more. Ready to see differences? Let's dive in. You may know GitHub Copilot as an autocomplete tool, finishing your code as you type. But Copilot Chat is more like a coding teammate inside your IDE. Copilot Chat lets you interact with your code in natural language, ask questions, request improvement, or get real-time help like chatting with teammate. It explains complex logic, summarize project, and even generate documentation, all through conversation. The big difference? Copilot Chat is built for interactive dialogue that helps with test, refactoring, and optimizing code without leaving your editor. Copilot Chat goes even further. Now, you can ask bigger questions like create a 3-tier Node.js architecture. It understands context across multiple files, giving far more useful answers than traditional autocomplete. With Copilot in supported IDEs like VS Code, JetBrains, or GitHub Codebase, you get both inline AI suggestions and Copilot Chat, a complete toolkit to supercharge your workflow. Head writing test? Just ask Copilot Chat, generate a test for this function. It suggests logical assertions based on your code, eliminating boilerplate and saving time, especially for complex logic. Jumping into an unfamiliar code base? Ask what this function do. Copilot Chat explains logic in plain English, like having a senior developer walk you through the code. No more hours of guesswork. When you want to improve code quality, just say, refactor this for readability. It suggests cleaner, more readable code, making it easier to maintain and scale with less technical depth. Learning a new programming language? Copilot Chat acts as your tutor. Type, create a class in Python, and it writes the code, makes exploring new language easier. Inside your IDE, Copilot Chat shows clean, readable code block you can instantly accept or skip, keeping your workflow smooth and uninterrupted. Copilot Chat also makes your pull request workflow smoother. It can summarize changes, explain update, and suggest improvement to speed up review and collaborate better with your team. Want to learn how to fully use GitHub Copilot with pull request? Comment below. I'll make a dedicated video. Let's continue. Wondering where Copilot Chat gets its answers? It uses your training data plus your project context, sometimes pulling info from sources like Bing. It's powerful but not perfect, supports various by languages, and it can't replace your expertise. Knowing its limitations help you to use it effectively. Some IDEs let you switch between different AI models inside your Copilot Chat, so you can pick the best one. This gives you better control and flexibility for complex tasks. Remember, Copilot Chat is built specifically for programming, debugging, and software development tasks. It's not for writing stories or poems. It's focused entirely on helping you code smarter. Copilot Chat shines on real coding challenges, like converting one programming language to another programming language or generating unit tests, making daily development faster and easier. We explore how Copilot Chat gives you real-time coding help, explain complex logic and refactor maintainable code, all inside your IDE. In next video, we'll break down how Copilot interprets your prompt and generates smart suggestions, so you can use it even more effectively. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and share your thought in comment. Thank you for watching and happy coding!